Yeah, welcome back once again to a new episode of Unique Tech. So in today's video, we'll be discussing on how you can actually create a brand logo using ChatGPT. So all you just have to do is open ChatGPT on your browser or your system or on your smartphone. Once you get here, try to register an account if perhaps you don't have an account. So let's check how it is being done on the system right away. System, or you get to your browser or your phone, whatever devices you might be using. All you just have to do is to come straight to chatgpt.com. So in this ChatGPT, we are making use of a free account over here. So in this free account, you don't have to pay to ChatGPT for you to create a design. All you just have to do is to come here to ChatGPT. In case you don't have an account with them, ensure you sign up so that you can all be on this page. So when you get to this page, there's something known as prompt which you have to send to ChatGPT. For whatever prompt you want to be sending to ChatGPT, ensure that you always tell ChatGPT to act as maybe act as a graphic designer or act as a programmer or act as a particular client. You just have to send that to ChatGPT. But I've already written down a particular prompt which I'll be sending to ChatGPT on this particular video. So I said act as a professional brand identifier, okay, as a brand identity and logo designer. I wanted to create a complete and visually appealing logo concept for a food canteen business called Halal Food that focuses on offering healthy, clean, and delicious halal meals. Can you see the way the first paragraph was well structured? So look at the instruction here. So these are the instruction, which is the prompt I want it to generate. Can you see? I said the company type is a food canteen providing halal meat, fresh, affordable, and hygienic. Design direction, friendly, clean, appetizing. Can you see the color scheme? So in case if perhaps you don't know how to actually generate a prompt, I will be explaining to you how to generate a prompt in the next video. So in the color scheme, we also have the font which I've given to it. We also have the logo concept, include a phone related symbol like a plate, spoon, crescent, or food. Can you see? To reflect alert and quality delivery. Okay, what is most important here? I need the full logo design in PNG, the favicon. I also need 3 to 5 logo mockup, which include the food packaging, the signboard, and the mobile app, and the apron itself. You understand? So all you just have to do is to send this to ChatGPT. So once we send it to ChatGPT, it will start processing it for us. Can you see? So to process with your halal food request, I will design the complete brand identity and provide the following. Can you see? Here is the logo. Okay. Before I generate it, okay, brand name. Okay, it's already getting started. So we'll come back soon as this image is ready. Okay, our logo is ready now. So this is the logo given to us, halal food. So from this logo, if perhaps in this logo you don't want any design in this logo, all you just have to do is to click on the logo itself. Can you see my cursor? Once you click on it, can you see describe what you want to add, remove, or replace? So you can just write another prompt. Probably you don't want the way they put the spoon here, or you don't want the general icon of this. So in case you don't want it, you can just tell them, okay, you can just write a prompt that, okay, remove this and replace it with another. So that is that on how to generate a brand logo for this particular, for any business. After generating the logo, it is also possible that they will also be requesting for a mock-up design. So how do you get a mock-up design? You just have to send the prompt to it again. Okay, generate a mock-up design. Generate a mock-up design. Generate a mock-up design. A mock-up design. For this logo. Okay, let's just specify, let's just generate just one mock-up design. Generate an apron mock-up design. For this logo. Already getting started. It's processing the image. So while we wait for the image, we come back soon. Our apron mockup is ready. So this is halal food. So that is just it on how you can generate a logo design, a mockup design. So once the logo is generated, you can just keep on sending a new prompt that generate an apron mockup design for this logo. In case if perhaps your clients, after designing a logo, they might actually request from you that you should design a mock-up design, probably a shirt mock-up design, or let's say a mug mock-up design and the rest like that. So it is very, very easy. And another thing your client might actually request for is the color code needed, or is the color code used, because this color code might actually be used by the probably the developer, maybe the website developer and the rest like that. So just send the prompt, just send a new prompt. Can I know the color code used for this design? Can I know the color code used? Can I know the color code used for this design? For this design. So that's another thing you need to know. So okay, can you see? But to make it more okay, so we can definitely request for full brand logo color palette PDF or design guide. So we need a design guide for this particular brand. That will make that this particular design guide will make you more professional. So yes, I need a design guide. Yes, I need a PDF design guide. I need a PDF design guide. Okay. So here is our, you have actually requested for a PDF design guide, which it actually took it a lot of time for you to generate. So after generating, we download our PDF brand guide here. So this is it over here, which I have downloaded. So these are part of the things you have to send to your clients. So you can actually just request, okay, I want it to look more amazing. I want it to probably add it to letterhead or stuff like that. So those are the things you can actually do to this particular design. So that is it on how to create a logo design using ChatGPT. At the same time, how to create a mock-up design. If we can as well request for a favicon as well. These are the things needed for a full branding. You need a logo, you need a favicon, you need a color, the color code, and you need a mock-up. So those are the things needed on those are the things needed when doing a full branding. And part of the things you need to take note on the logo is that you want the one of transparent, the one of just icon only. So instead of you having this general color, instead of you having this general logo here, so you can just get the color on just this icon only, which is this up only. So you can as well request for this icon only. So those are the things you need to put together. So after generating all this image, you can as well tell ChatGPT to put all the logo in a PDF for you, so which you will also send to your client as well. So that is it on how to generate a logo design using ChatGPT.